Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a house in Minecraft. First, gather basic materials such as wood from trees and stone from mining. Find a flat, secure spot for your new home. Begin by laying down a simple foundation, perhaps a 5 by 5 block square. Then, construct your walls, making them at least 3 blocks high to keep out unwanted visitors. This initial structure provides a safe haven for your adventures. Now that your basic structure is up, it is time to complete the enclosure. Finish building your walls, ensuring they are solid and secure. Next, add a roof. A simple flat design is easiest, or you could try a sloped one for aesthetics. Do not forget to craft a door for easy entry and exit, and to keep out hostile mobs. Finally, place some windows to let in natural light and allow you to see outside. With your house enclosed, let us focus on the interior. Essential items include a crafting table for making new tools and a furnace for smelting ores. You will also need several chests to store all your valuable items safely. To keep your home safe from hostile creatures, place torches generously to provide ample light. And for convenience, craft a bed to set your spawn point and skip the night. Once your basic house is complete, you can begin to expand and personalize it. Consider adding extra rooms for specific purposes, like a storage area or a workshop. Building a small farm nearby will provide a steady supply of food. Decorate your interior with items such as paintings and flower pots to make it feel more like home. Finally, secure your property with fences or a protective wall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.